In this video, we will explore the 4 criteria for congruent shapes. Two shapes that are the same size and the same shape are congruent. Shapes A, B, E, and G are congruent. They are identical in size and shape. For two triangles to be congruent, one of 4 criteria need to be met. Triangles can be congruent if the 3 sides are equal. This is called side, side, side. ASA, or angle, side, angle, is a criteria when two angles are the same and a corresponding side is the same. SAS, or side, angle, side, is when two sides are equal and the angle between the two sides is equal. RHS, or right angle, hypotenuse, side is when there is a right angle. The hypotenuse and a corresponding side are equal. In this example, state whether the two triangles are congruent. Give a reason to support your answer. Yes, these triangles are congruent because of side, 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 or SSS. The 3 sides are equal. State whether the two triangles are congruent. Give a reason to support your answer. No, these triangles are not congruent. On the left side, the 7 centimeters length is between the angles 40 degrees and 60 degrees. On the right-hand side, it is not. Thanks for watching. If you would like maths tutoring, please visit thompsoneducate.com.